Using the example of the Minolta Bizhub 215, I will show you how to reset the counter for maintenance calls. Press button Utility. Press button Clear Stop. Press button 0 twice. Press button Clear Stop. Next press button 0 and press button 1. You are now in the copier service mode. Press button arrow down. Find point clear data, and press OK button. Find total clear, and press OK and yes button. Now you have to wait few minutes. Now restart the copier. The copier is ready to copy and no longer displays the requested messages. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.